Hi guys, magluluto po tayo ng super tasty chop suey at ito po yun, super sarap, super yummy chop suey. And kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Amy's Home Living, and stay tuned, umpisahan natin mamaya. Hi guys, ito po yung ingredients sa chop suey natin. Lutuin natin ngayon. Meron tayong chicken, meron tayong shrimp, meron tayong cabbage, string beans, carrots, yung gulay natin, asparagus, sayote, broccoli, cauliflower, tomato, garlic, bell pepper, onion, and meron tayong salt and pepper to taste, and gagamit din tayo ng ginisa and chicken cubes, but this is optional only guys. Then gamit din tayo ng cornstarch, then water. Okay, let's start. We'll add the oil. Then we'll put the garlic. I love garlic guys, so I add lots of garlic to this. Then cook the garlic, fry the garlic for about 1 minute. Smell good. Then after garlic, we're gonna add onion. Then after the onion will be cooked, we're gonna add the tomato. Fry that for about 1 minute too, until the tomato cook. Then, if the tomato is already cooked, we can add the chicken. If the chicken is already a little brown, we'll cook the chicken until brown, some brown. And we're going to add after the chicken the shrimp. So we'll cook the chicken. So after the chicken cooked, become brown, we will add the shrimp. So I add lots of shrimp to this guys because I love shrimp. If you like to add lots of chicken, then you can do that. So we're gonna cook this for about just like 2 minutes. 2 minutes to 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, we're gonna add the chicken cubes para malasa yung chop suey natin, para sobrang sumarap. Yan. Gonna mix it. Yeah. Then after cooking, you're gonna add the carrots. We will add all the ingredients to this, guys. Vegetables, not all, but the most of the vegetable that hard to cook, just like the carrots. And these carrots. Then we're gonna add the asparagus. Then sayote. Then we're gonna add the broccoli. This is super yummy, and we're gonna add the cauliflower. This is really good, guys. This is really healthy. Lots of vegetables. This is really good to our body. Then after, we're gonna add half cup of water. Then bring to boil. Then add the string beans. Mix it. Ayan. This is so delicious. Then we'll cover that for 4 minutes, 5 to 4 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, this is it, guys. And we will add the baby corn. So the baby corn that I'm using is a can. So if you have the fresh baby corn, you can put that early. And I add also the bell pepper. Because madali lang maluto sila. Kaya hinuli ko na sila. Yan. Mix it. And add the Ginisa mix seasoning. That is all. That is optional only. And don't worry, guys, because I'm going to put the all the ingredients after the video. And I put also to the description box below. And mix that. Smell really good, guys. And we're going to put salt and the pepper. Then mix. Then cover for 2 minutes. Just a minimum heat lang. Then we'll put, after that, we'll put the cabbage. After 2 minutes, we'll put the cabbage. Then we'll cover this after. Cover for 3 minutes. Yan na guys, this is it. This is so yummy, and we're gonna try this. We're gonna taste this first, then after, if you like the sauce will be a little thicker or sticky, we're gonna add the cornstarch. But me, I like little, sticky, so I'm going to add cornstarch after if the taste is really good. It's really yummy, guys. This is the perfect ingredients of the chop suey. For me, this is the really perfect ingredients for chop suey. So we're gonna add the cornstarch. So this is okay now, guys. Ready to serve. Yay! So this is our chop suey. This is so yummy. It's really perfect, guys. This is super tasty chop suey. And this is the secret ingredients. I hope you like my video, and kung bago lang kayo, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button, okay? So that updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko. So ito na yun, guys. Look at that. So yummy and so healthy food. Look at that. I'm so hungry. I hope you enjoy my video, guys, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and hit the bell button so that you will be updated. Okay? Enjoy cooking, guys, and see ya. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.